Jorge, Sky Collector. I thought it was the bulb, the neon bulb that burnt out, but it turns out it was the transistor. So I just soldered in a second bulb. Man, that transistor's getting hot. I'm going to have to put something to get it out, or to expel some of the excess energy. But yeah, I replaced the transistor. Throw that guy in the garbage. Now I have two bulbs to protect the transistor. But I got it back working again. Yay! Yeah, and it turns out if I tune it, the transistor doesn't get hot. So the transistor's fine now, and you can hear it flying. That's because I have it tuned properly, so the transistor's not getting hot. But I do have to hook something up off the side here. Maybe these caps. I'll hook those up today. And because I didn't get them quite to 12 volts. Oops. I don't know what that was all about. Anyway, ciao. There it goes. Hooked up to the caps. Everything's nice and cool. No lights are flashing, meaning nothing's coming back to the transistor. No back EMF. But I was surprised. When I left yesterday, the SuperCaps were up at like 11 point something volts. I didn't think it would drain that rapidly overnight, not doing anything, unless maybe it doesn't really go up to the 11 volts. It's probably potential. But yeah, everything's going good. Exactly how it's supposed to work. And here is my potential commutator. Oops, sorry. For my Newman motor. So basically, these are brass washers, but cut in half. So only half of this is brass. And once I grind it down, make it nice, drill a hole and mount it, I should have half and half for a commutator. I don't know how well it's going to work. I'm thinking it's going to be okay. But I did see that you posted you were going to do something different, so I can't wait to see that. Here we are, up to 7 point something volts here, running at 12.1. Again, SuperCaps. I want to get these up to 12 volts so that I can run this motor off of it and then charge this bank, which I just threw together in series. I know it's not the best way, but anyway,